everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I'm coming on just to do a little show and tell of some ATCs and some little cards that I've been making. You may remember last week I showed you some the backgrounds that I'd done. Well, I've just finished these couple off. The background was when I was opening the alcohol inks and I'd wiped it up, right, the little bottle tops of the bottles up, and I said, oh, that's nice painty paper. Well, I just stuck it down. There was enough for two, crinkled it up a bit more, glued it on, and then went over it with some of my pastes and gilding polishes and that, and used a little stencil for the gold. I went round the edge with the gold just with my finger, and then I got some pieces of, well, that's a piece that hasn't been done properly, but pieces of the holographic card that I've been trying to do alcohol ink on. It didn't work very well, but I thought, well, it's good enough just to cut a little piece there. And I've got these words that I've had forever that we got from a little craft outlet that we used to go to. So I just put those on there, and then I, with my circle punch, just cut a little circle out and used of the holographic card again, and then used, oh, I know what will go on there. Some of these gems that are lovely Kim from 172 Cherry Kim on Instagram. What Kim sent me in Happy Mail. So thank you for those, Kim, if you're watching. So that's those two. Right, so then I got some more, and these bases are mount board that I'd done playing about with. Well, those were the papers, but they're tissue paper. But these next ones, I have shown you the bases with ink on when I was playing with the alcohol inks, just testing them out. But what I decided to do is I've just got some stuff from Julie from Zushi Hooshi. She was having a de-stash, and I've not done a video of it, but I've got some stuff from Julie, and in it was this stencil paste, Pentart stencil paste. I've never had anything like this before. I've got like different pastes with texture paste and that, but I've not had a sort of a stencils paste. It's absolutely lovely. It just goes on like butter. And this one is in vanilla, I think it's called. Oh, pearl, sorry. Yeah, vanilla pearl. No, vanilla pearl. Right. So I used this stencil. This is called Tile Pattern, that I got from In Love Arts. They sent me that. Well, I chose it, but so I have used it before. So I went all over all of these just with some of that, and I thought, I don't want to cover it up anymore. So again, I just used a little piece of holographic card that had got some alcohol ink on, and I'm just leaving it like that because I think it's so pretty. Again, I used the words. I think they're so pretty, and I've coloured all the backs. There's that one. That one, I used the different parts of the stencil in different places, but it really goes on so nice. There's that one. I mean, if you get your painty papers, you don't really have to do a lot more to them. One. I don't know whether you could add any other, if I could add a dye or something to the, I shall have to experiment another day with a little bit, see if I could make it a different colour. The end. and that one. So that's some ATCs I finished off today. And then I thought I've got still got some little scraps left of, you know, when I was doing these cards, was it last week or the week before, that I'd seen Mary and Christine, that I'd seen do these. Well, similar things, minus slightly different, so a bit of a combination of both of theirs. I'll leave that video and then you can go and have a look at their tutorials, because honestly, I'm so pleased I didn't think, oh, I'll go on and make some cards on camera, because honestly you would have lost the will to live because I was doing, it's taken me forever to do those two little cards. I swear to God, right? Double-sided tape is the devil in disguise. I've always said that, and then I got sort of better with it. Today I'm like, what is occurring? There is the devil in there. I've actually had to rip some bits up and throw them away, and I don't do that, but it just was not happening for me today. Anyway, I've managed to do a couple, but like, oh really, you're taking this long? But they're just like little ATC size. Just with the, so what you do, you stick, I mean, I'm sure most of you that have watched this will know anyway, but you get like a little scrap piece of card for this one. Get like a scrap piece of card, stick double-sided tape down, cut your little pieces of paper up however you like. Well, Christine does it hers are straight pieces of paper, and then she does them all really nice in like a design. I just slap mine on. And then Mary, she'd cut hers into triangle pieces, which these are sort of like that, but say mine are sort of in between both of theirs, if that makes any sense at all. So I just did that, and then the gaps that are left, I just used this. This was Christine that used the flakes. Use the flakes, just stick those onto the leftover, you know, into the gaps, and that, in case you're wondering where, well, it's from a little shop we go to, but this brand, I think you can get it from the not the Works, we might get it from the Works, from the range. It's that sort of craft it's called, but yeah, you just sort of press that in, brush it in, and I think they're quite nice. I do want to make some more of those if the devil leaves the double-sided tape. He wants to clear off and go on holiday because I'm fed up of it living here. So yeah, just little cards. And I just did put that onto a white piece and then stamp some thank yous out. I tried to heat emboss. Now I stamped it with the what do you call it, ink? You call it the ink, that pigment ink, that's it, the pigment ink that I always use, this Dovecraft one, pigment ink. I like that for embossing. Poured my embossing powder on, it just wouldn't have it. It would not, it just didn't do anything. And I think what it was, because the paper I'd used was the laser paper that I've been using recently. So I just started again, and I thought, oh, that's all right. It just soaked it in and it was all right, but it didn't like the embossing. So anyway, that's those two. And then I found another piece of, you know, when I was doing the alcohol ink, I think I mentioned it, said that I'd had a go at blowing through a straw, but I don't think I'd shown you it. And I can't do it. It really hurts me. I just had one go. Well, I can do it, but it hurts me. so I don't do it. I just did it on this foil bag, and I'd also done it on some holographic card, just on a strip. So I thought, oh well, I'll cut those up. So I just cut those up, same sort of thing. I thought they're pretty little cards, sooner than it be hanging about forever again. So that is that. That's all I've got to show you, actually. I thought there was something else, but no, there isn't. Oh, yes, there is. There's this. I don't know. It's jar of coffee. You know, like it's like, you call it polystyrene? No, is that the right word? Can't think what it is. Anyway, it's that goes in there. And I did that yesterday. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I thought, oh, I wonder if I'll be able to emboss that and then do it with the black gesso. So, well, we've got to try it. So I just run it through the clock embossing folder, black gessoed it, and when that was dry, just went over it with some of my pastes. Oh, that's the deboss side. I think I actually like that side better. Yeah, and that's the emboss side, because you can, that's, the words are the right way round there. But no, because I have been saving those, don't know where I've put them, like. And the other thing that I save, that you get these sort of things in it, is the Dilutions paint. You get one of those in the top of there. I've got some of those somewhere as well. You just can't throw this sort of thing out, people. No, you can't. Oh, I found some more scraps there. Oh, they're going, look, scraps bin. Hey, you ain't proud of me, Steph, for doing that? That can go me. I'm not even going to try and get all those bits of gold. Bin. Hey. Ooh, got shakes now. Right, on that silly note, I shall love and leave you and speak to you soon. Yes, just looking. No, there's nothing else. Okay, take care. Thank you for watching. Bye.